What's up, Blue Chips? One trade today. Are you in? Let's get to it. All right, traders. So, frustrating day, as you can see over here. I'm going to play back the replay. I totally forgot to turn my camera on. I think I had it on, and then I clicked it by accident, messing with the 1,000 sub thing that you see here. I don't know what I did, but I didn't have a camera, but you'll be able to hear the audio. And it's a little frustrating. My kids, this was a fairly standard trade. We got in, kind of found the top. It came down. We took half our position. We were looking to cut it high of day after it established, so we added as close to high of day as we could. And if it wanted to break, we were going to see what it did there. It extended pretty quickly, so we actually added again. This was just adding our 50 shares back. So this was 100. We covered 50, added 50 back, so we were back at 100, and then we doubled it off with another 100. And we had every intention when it came down like this that if it went high a day again, we were going to cut the full position. It didn't. Came back down. Our average was at 57 at this point. So just to give you reference. So when it came down under that, we took off half our shares, and right here, my little one pooped his pants, and the diapers that we've been using were like just gimmies, and they are not good at holding the stuff in. I could see it coming out the side of the diaper. And then my other one, my oldest, was just nagging me to help him with his drawing. And I tried to set a stop order, didn't realize what I was doing, which I'll just go ahead and insert all of what happened right here. So as you can see, that's what happened. I meant to make this a stop order at high of day. As you can see, the price I put in on the montage was at 71. So I just forgot to make it a stop order. And this is why distractions suck. And my overall intention here was, if you guys watch me, you know that I look for these previous resistance to retest. So my end goal here was to let these 100 shares kind of roll all the way down here if I could, right? Because we kind of had a really good average if this was the top. If it wanted to come down, test VWAP, we'd look to see if it would continue through because we had a really good average and we were looking for this trade to work for us. And sure enough, it ended up doing exactly what we wanted because, this is obviously not because we made the mistake, but we made the mistake and it did exactly what we were looking for it to do. It didn't obviously get all the way down there and retest. It still might, but it essentially made the move that we were looking for. So this was a frustrating one. Just going to pack it up. We still ended up green on the trade, $4.50, but we're obviously going to be red after commissions. We had 6 tickets. So just a little bit frustrating because this would have been a really good trade. 100 shares from 57 down here. It's an extra $30. We would have been on our way to close to our quota for the day. And there was some other trades like RAD. There was a bunch of other trades that we could have traded, but we didn't have shares. But they were our edge, but we just didn't have shares to trade them. SQ was another one. So gonna just chalk this one up. Tuesdays and Thursdays, they're shit shows. That's just what they are, and that's what they'll always be until they're both in school. And so 500 sub giveaway tomorrow night, 9:30 Eastern. Don't forget to enter if you haven't already. Go check out the giveaway video. And that's all I have for you. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. Gonna get out of here. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is also my birthday. Peace.